Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can create folders on your home screen. So at the first, you have to find the icons that you want to organize. For example, we are going to change these icons. So I have to click, hold, and then drag application above another one and just release like that. As you can see, the folder was created. We can name. Yeah, click done. And we can add additional folders, additional apps to the folder. As you can see, there it is. Right now we can move it, for example, right here. And as you can see, there it is. You can also change the color of that folder like that. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.